Okay, my dear few followers, this time I'm showing you an HPI edition of the Opel VAUXHALL Astra of the British Touring Car Championship that won the 2002 season. It is well detailed, beautiful rear lights. What else can I say? It fulfills the original theme of the real car. Okay, I put some HPI stickers at front and at back, but doesn't matter much. The hard part here is like its Opel sibling of Tamiya, the separation of the white and the other color, it's the red. For front, it's not a huge problem. It is here, for the rear, when you have to realize a little arc. Again, my suggestion is to make a copy of the stickers and try to cut and apply them like that. That's what I did, and it isn't perfect, but it is near perfect. For this one, I didn't glue the spoiler. I prefer use the screws because I plan to replace it by a hard one. Because this car, this body, is still allowed in the EFRA Worldwide Championship for the scale 110. And maybe I would like to make a try with it. With the stickers delivered, you can choose between Mr. Thompson that won the 2002 edition, but also his colleague, his French colleague, Yvan Muller, that won the 2003 edition. There is just differences. Here you have to put 2, and here you have to put Muller. Also I'll replace the 3 on the top for the 2. Anyway. And if you want to build a 2003, you have some modification to do in the stickers. Voilà. Bye bye.